Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to discuss about healthy eating, energy foods, proteins, vitamins and minerals and fibers. Here, okay, we start healthy eatings. Students, a human being eats over 1 ton of food and drinks about 500 liters of liquid in a year. But this is not essential for a normal and healthy body. It is important to eat a varied diet. Human requires various types of nutrition in order to keep them healthy and fit. A balanced diet may be defined as the one which contain all the essential nutrients in correct proportion for the normal growth and development of the body. A balanced diet is related to one's age, gender and activity. So we can say that a balanced diet should contain foods that provide energy, foods that provide building material, foods that control chemical reaction, foods that contain dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are commonly known as roughage. People do not follow to eat the balanced diet. They eat what they like, and in some countries people eat too much fat, sugar and salts, and they do not eat enough fiber. Fats and sugars are energy foods, and energy is measured in kilojoules. The more kilojoules the food has, the more energy it will provide. If this energy is not used up, the body stores this energy as food and the person becomes overweight. Carbohydrates are these are the sources of carbohydrates. The most common sources of carbohydrates are bread, pasta, beans, potatoes, bran, rice and cereals. Carbohydrates are the basic source of energy for all the animals. Carbohydrates contain 4 kilocalories per gram. Proteins and fats are vital building components for body, but they cannot be used as they can also be used as energy source. These are the various sources of protein these are the foods from which we get protein. 1 gram of protein provides 4 kilocalories of energy. Dietary sources of proteins are meat, eggs, grain, legumes and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Next important source is fat. 1 gram of fat contains 9 kilocalories of energy. Important sources of fats are, these are the sources of fats. Important sources are eggs, coconut oil, berries, dark chocolate, potatoes, pulp-free orange juice, carrots, oysters, coconut water, etc. Clear? These are the different nutrients that are required for the normal and growth and development of the human body. In addition to these, vitamins play a very important role in chemical reactions which are going on in the body. Minerals are essential for building tissues such as bones and teeth. Often this happens that people eat too much minerals such as common salts, on the average 12 grams per day, and that is more than twice what they need. And eating too much minerals causes health problems such as high blood pressure. So it is important to reduce the amount of minerals that is common salt in our food. Students, next topic is fiber. Fiber is made up of plant cell wall which passes through the digestive system without being digested or absorbed. It gives the muscles in the walls of the digestive system something to push on. A food containing lot of fiber prevents and relieves constipation by stimulating the contraction of intestinal muscles, and it also helps to prevent other disorders of digestive system such as hemorrhoids, that is commonly known as piles. Next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. How much does a human eat and drink in a year? The answer is on page number 61. It will start from here. Each year a human being eats over 1 ton of food and drinks about 500 liters of liquid. Question number 2. What should a balanced diet contain? The answer will start. A balanced diet should contain, then mark from here, food that provides energy up to this. Question number 3. Give one danger of eating too much salt. The answer is on page number 61. Mark from this line. People eat far too much common salt up to this line. Question number 4. A part. What is a fiber? It will start from here. Fiber is made up of plant cell wall up to this. Next, B part. What is fiber? Why is fiber important in the diet? It will start from this line. Food containing a lot of fiber helps prevent constipation and other disorder of digestive system such as hemorrhoid, commonly known as piles, up to this. Thank you.